Alright, we got something a little different today. We got Ascended Heroes mini tin display. This is in Spanish, so unfortunately it's kind of like the only L about the product, but hey, it was pretty cheap to pick up. Looks exactly the same. The English is going completely crazy right now. So let me crack this open. Talked to some guy saying like somebody I think he pulled like some really expensive SR. He was like, oh no, it's not really a market for this yet. But to check back with me. Like I think it sells for like $1,000, but he had no proof. It was one of those Pikachus or something. But all right, here we go. This is about to be a wonky video. There goes the value. Now the value's gone. Alright. Alright. Same spiel. I should open all these one by one, but I had them already pre-opened, but it's a little dangerous right here. Should need more space. This tin crap is like a lot of work opening this stuff. I gotta move this out of the way. Sorry. Should just go through. Well, let's open these two right now. See what's inside of it. Like how they look just like it opened up like the English ones, and they look like they have the same beat up cut and print as the English ones too. So this will be more than interesting. Alright, Stunt Fist. I'm not going to know all these names. This one's going to blow right through. Total Kiss, Mega Channel, Mega Frost Last. Okay, you know that patch sucked. Alright. Shiana, Ball, Raichu. What? The same reverse in the same pack, but two. Pack two. That Cargo. Yeah, I'm just going to struggle this whole opening, so I gotta open some of these tins. It's gonna take a little bit. No, this is terrible. It's completely just stuck and it's not open. This open is terrible. I'm gonna be in trouble. Oh, that was some BS. Imagine this was a while. What the hell are you doing? Anyway, everything is overpriced and Pokemon isn't printing shit, as we know. And box prices are not going down. Some of the strangest graded cards of all time are like climbing the ladder and getting expensive. This is going on right now. It's annoying because some of these cards, especially those Charizard PSA 10s, they keep jacking the price up by the day. That's ultra premium collection card. It's going for $11,000 to $13,000. Like a few days ago, I looked online. Now people asking 16 to 20 grand. People don't know to pay the overprice. I don't know. I guess people are desperate. It's not like it's only like 60 copies and paying prices like 60. It's like 600, almost 80 copies. I mean, cars like that, they gonna hit 50K soon. But then you got cars that's low pop that people ignore. I got like 4 more of these. This is gonna like, you'll need the fast forward button. Yeah, the mini tins are annoying. It's just a bunch of bullshit. Open up packs. Anybody who sees this, let me know what set or part you're trying to get. This part before it goes up in price. First time I ever seen Pokemon be like, fuck it, I'm not pre-printing shit. Y'all have to go for self on it, on your own sealed product, because the only thing you care about is the next quarter on profits, and you don't give a damn. When 30 comes out, it's gonna be a complete piece of shit. It's gonna be crazier than Final Fantasy, the Magic set that came out for Final Fantasy, which people are quiet about now. But to be honest, I think that stuff is a little overrated. Don't get me wrong, the MTG Final Fantasy set was great. It had a lot of stuff, but they messed it up with those artworks. I don't like the border was crap. You know, like they had those anime looking artworks, and then all the good shit was in the collector boxes, so it really hurt the base of it. Alright, on my last one. I'm never doing this again. Like, alright, so jumbled around. I don't know how this is gonna go. It's complete clusterfuck, but anyway, sorry about that, that really sucks. Alright, Snorlax, Meowth, Badoo. I don't know what the hell that is. Some bum Team Rocket God. Beautifly, Reverse, Togepi, Kidugo, Mega Gardevoir EX. Which sucks. I don't know the card trick. Yo, Dunsparce, some Dirt Cookies, Trollia, Bayleaf. Yeah, it was Frostmont. Killgambit was... What? I hate when you get the same crap in the same pack. You see how this is going to go. These cards do feel a little different though. Oddest Ronks, Tablug, YOLO, Charmeleon, Starmie, Vanillish, Chikorita, Reshiram. This is what the openings look like in English, where you get like a bunch of nothing. I bet you could open 100 packs of this shit and get like nothing. Curlia, Slugma, Pawniard, Murkrow, Salazzle, Caddy, Snob, Mimikyu, Zekrom. A bunch of cards I already got. Mecha, Pikachu. Is that Canary? Chula Vanilla's purple. Oh, this is horrible. This is almost looking as worse as Starting Deck 100. That's a whole other problem. Sword, No, Dynamo, Mr. Mavis, Net, Verse Tangler, Verse Totodile, Mega Gengar EX, there's something there. I bet that's the highlight of the day. Page be hit one more time. Reverse Raichu, Scraggy, Trevant. Launch, Yo, Dunsparce, Walkie Talkie, Sneeze will hit my time. This is ridiculously horrible. Imagine being a kid paying $4 or $5 a pack and this is happening. This is worse than getting base at trainers. Alright. Silicone, Mesera, Scorbunny, Dropper, that's a reverse Canary. That's alright. What is that? Mega Holly. Oh my god. Straight trash. Straight trash. I just scratched the top of the pack. It's not good. Radish, Routes. Cool Restaurant. Got a Mega Diancie EX. Wow. This is most like a relevant display box opening ever. No comment. This again? Ryu Hazuki. At least Ryu Hazuki's gotchas are gonna go over value. This is gonna be oh shit. Grubbin, Charger Bug. This is how low Pokemon has come. You got a battery operated bug, Charger Bug. As far as your creativity going, you're fucking horrible. Executor, Team Rocket. There's like 6 packs left. This is an abomination. Excuse me. Pacham, Poochie. No. Weaver Cramorant, Fezzik. I'm getting all the trash. Is that an SR? But no one cares because it's straight trash. Jeez, what a way to strike out. Imagine if this was English. Togepi, Trapcall, with reverse Clefable. It won't stop. You get EXs and stuff, but the hits are straight trash. Wow. Right. This isn't even worth uploading. I might delete this video. Meditite, Starly, Bishart, Tangela, Weevil, Miss Major. Listen, oh, this is the worst card. This is the worst shit. I think I see what's happening here. Is this one of those should have kept it sealed situations? This pack is open and so horrible. Throw wrappers in the trash. Just dump this in the cars. Victory Bell. Punch Crow. What? This has to be the worst display box open of all time. I had better pulls open in English. Dead serious. Better type Frostmoth Executor. This is the last pack. Yeah, it's pretty pathetic. Worst thing I've ever seen. And, there's no point to show any highlights because there is no highlights. But that's what happens. We open this crap in this language. But anyway, no comment. Yeah, alright.